Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to install Amazon Alexa on your Windows PC or laptop and how you can do this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to search for Microsoft Store, because from there only we can download the Alexa. Now this is the Microsoft Store, so I have search here in the search and you'll be getting the Microsoft Store. Now here you have to search for Alexa. You have to search for Alexa. Now this is the Alexa app. Now you have to click on this. Now from here you have to download the app. You have to download the app. Click on get option. Now it will be asking you to sign in, so you just have to tap on sign in. Sorry, you just have to click on no thanks. Now it will be getting downloaded. You just have to wait for that. So now guys, as you can see, it's getting downloaded. So you just have to wait for it. Okay. Now as you can see that it is getting downloaded, right? So once it is downloaded, what you have to do is just have to sign in with your Alexa account, and if you don't have an Alexa account, you have to sign in with the Amazon account. Once after that, it is very simple. All you have to do is just give further instructions, and just like installing a new app, this is what you have to do. This is about how you can download Alexa on a Windows 10. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and we received a few requests on making these kind of videos, and one of the viewer and subscriber commented on making this video, so we did this. So if you're having any kind of suggestions, which is most welcome, so we'll be definitely looking onto it. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.